Welcome back to our channel, Coin Enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of rare coins from various corners of the globe. From Austria to Syria, we'll explore the stories behind these coins and uncover their current market values. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just getting started, this video is for you. Let's get started. First up, we're exploring a small yet significant coin from Austria, the €1 cent from 2002, particularly in fine condition. We'll uncover its history, design, and most importantly, its current collector market value in dollars. So, let's get started. First, let's take a closer look at the Austria €1 cent coin. This tiny treasure is part of the first series of euro coins introduced after the euro became the official currency in many European countries, including Austria in 2002. A little history for context. The euro was introduced to financial markets as an accounting currency on January 1st, 1999, and euro coins and banknotes entered circulation on January 1st, 2002. Austria, as one of the Eurozone countries, adopted the euro, and thus, the Austrian euro coins were minted. The Austrian €1 cent coin is part of a larger series that includes denominations ranging from 1 cent to €2. Each denomination features unique designs on the reverse side, representing Austria's rich cultural heritage. Now, let's talk about the design. The obverse side of the €1 cent coin features a European map symbolizing the unity of the Eurozone countries. The reverse side, designed by Joseph Kaiser, showcases a gentian flower which is native to Austria. Surrounding the flower are the 12 stars of the European Union, symbolizing the solidarity and harmony among the member states. But what makes this coin truly special for collectors, especially in fine condition? Let's discuss that. In the world of coin collecting, condition is everything. The Austria €1 cent 2002 in fine condition means it has some wear and tear from circulation, but still retains most of its design details. Fine condition is considered a mid-range grade, meaning the coin has visible signs of use but isn't heavily damaged. Now, on to the part you've been waiting for, the market value. As of today, the Austria €1 cent 2002 in fine condition holds a collector market value ranging between $100,000. While this might seem like a lot, it's important to remember that the value of coins can fluctuate based on demand, rarity, and the overall condition. Why does this coin have such a value? It's not just about the monetary worth but also the historical and cultural significance. Collectors are drawn to euro coins from the first year of issuance, like this one, because they represent a significant moment in European history, the transition to a unified currency. If you're looking to add this coin to your collection, or perhaps you already have one, here are a few tips. Preservation: keep the coin in a protective holder to prevent further wear. Authentication: ensure your coin is authenticated by a professional to avoid counterfeits. Market watch: keep an eye on the market trends. Coin values can rise over time, especially for those from significant years like 2002. And there you have it. The Austria €1 cent 2002 coin is a fascinating piece of numismatic history with a modest but noteworthy value in today's collector market. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this coin is a wonderful addition to any collection. Next up, we're diving into a fascinating coin from the Middle East, the Bahrain 5 fils from 2017. This coin, though small in denomination, holds significant interest for collectors around the world. Let's explore its history, design, and current market value in fine condition. Bahrain, a small island nation in the Persian Gulf, has a rich history and culture. Its currency, the Bahraini dinar, is subdivided into 1,000 fils. The 5 fils coin we're discussing today is a part of this currency system and has some intriguing features. The 2017 Bahrain 5 fils coin is made of brass, giving it a distinctive golden hue. The obverse features a prominent image of the Bahraini coat of arms, symbolizing the nation's heritage and pride. The reverse side displays the denomination 5 with the Arabic script for fils and the year of minting in both Gregorian and Hijri calendars. Coins like this one are not only used for transactions but also serve as cultural artifacts. The 5 fils coin, being one of the lower denominations, is commonly used in everyday transactions in Bahrain, making it a staple of daily life for Bahrainis. In terms of size, the 5 fils coin is relatively small, with a diameter of 17.5 millimeters and a weight of 2.4 grams. Despite its modest size, its value in the collector's market can be quite intriguing. When assessing the value of any coin, the condition is paramount. For our 2017 Bahrain 5 fils coin, we're considering it in fine condition. In coin grading, fine indicates a coin that has seen moderate circulation but still retains the majority of its details. Coins in fine condition will have some wear on the highest points of the design but will still be recognizable and collectible. Now, let's talk about the market value. The value of a coin can fluctuate based on demand, rarity, and condition. As of today, the Bahrain 5 fils 2017 in fine condition can fetch anywhere between $0.50 to $1.50 USD. While this might seem like a large sum, it's important to remember that values can increase over time, especially as coins become scarcer. If you're a collector, holding onto coins like these can be a worthwhile investment. Plus, they add a unique element to any collection due to their cultural and historical significance, so there you have it. The Bahrain 5 Fils 2017 coin is more than just a small piece of metal, it's a snapshot of Bahrain's rich history and everyday life. Next up, we're diving into the fascinating world of Afghan currency, focusing on a unique piece from the heart of Central Asia. Join us as we explore the history, design, and collector's value of the Afghanistan 1 Afghani coin from 2004 in very fine condition. Let's get started. The Afghanistan 1 Afghani coin from 2004. This coin is a great example of modern Afghan currency and holds a significant place in numismatic collections worldwide. But before we delve into its market value, let's take a closer look at its background and design. Afghanistan, a country with a rich and tumultuous history, has seen many changes in its currency system over the years. The Afghani, introduced in 1925, has been the official currency for nearly a century. The 1 Afghani coin from 2004 is a relatively modern coin, minted during a period of rebuilding and economic recovery following decades of conflict. Now, let's examine the design of this coin. On the obverse side, we see the emblem of Afghanistan, featuring a mosque with a rising sun behind it, flanked by sheaves of wheat. This emblem symbolizes hope and prosperity for the Afghan people. Surrounding the emblem are inscriptions in Pashto, the official language of Afghanistan, along with the year of minting, 2004. On the reverse side, the denomination 1 is prominently displayed in the center, with the word Afghani written above it in Pashto. The edges of the coin are smooth, and its overall design is simple yet meaningful, reflecting the cultural and historical heritage of Afghanistan. For those new to coin collecting, the condition or grade of a coin is crucial in determining its value. Coins are graded on a scale from poor to mint state. Our coin today is in very fine condition. This means it has moderate wear, but all major details are clear and distinct. Coins in very fine condition are quite desirable among collectors, as they strike a balance between affordability and preservation of detail. Now, the moment you've been waiting for the collector's market value of the 2004 Afghanistan 1 Afghani coin in very fine condition. The value of such coins can fluctuate based on demand, rarity, and market trends. As of today, coins in very fine condition can fetch anywhere from $90,000 on the collector's market. However, prices can vary depending on specific buyer interest and market conditions. To give you a better idea, let's look at recent sales and auctions. Over the past year, we've seen these coins sell for around $100,000 on average, with some reaching up to $110,000 in particularly competitive auctions. The growing interest in Middle Eastern and Central Asian numismatics has certainly boosted the value of such coins. Investing in coins like the 2004 Afghanistan 1 Afghani can be a rewarding experience. Not only do you get to own a piece of history, but these coins can also appreciate in value over time. As Afghanistan continues to evolve and its historical artifacts gain more recognition, coins like these may become even more valuable. Always keep an eye on the market trends and consider adding coins from diverse regions to diversify your collection. Coin in very fine condition is a noteworthy addition to any collection. Its historical significance, coupled with its modest yet appealing design, makes it a must-have for collectors of world coins. With a current market value ranging between $200,000, it's both an affordable and intriguing piece to acquire. Next up, we're diving into the fascinating world of Hungarian coins. Specifically, we'll be exploring the Hungary 10 Forint coin from 1994 with the BP mint mark. This coin, in very fine condition, has piqued the interest of many collectors. Stay tuned to find out its current market value and the story behind it. Before we get into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on your favorite coins. The Hungary 10 Forint coin from 1994 is a remarkable piece of numismatic history. Hungary, a country rich in culture and history, has a long tradition of minting coins. The 10 Forint coin, minted in 1994, represents a period of significant economic and political changes in Hungary as it transitioned from a socialist state to a more market-oriented economy. The BP mint mark on the coin signifies that it was minted in Budapest, Hungary's capital and largest city. Budapest has been the heart of Hungarian coin production for centuries, and the BP mint mark is a symbol of the city's rich minting heritage. Now let's take a closer look at the Hungary 10 Forint 1994 BP coin. This coin is made of a copper-nickel alloy, giving it a sturdy feel and a unique shine. It has a diameter of 24.7 mm and a weight of 6.1 grams. The obverse side features the Hungarian coat of arms, a symbol of national pride and unity. The coat of arms depicts a shield with the arpad stripes on the left and a double cross on the right, topped with the Holy Crown of Hungary. This design is steeped in history and reflects Hungary's rich heritage. On the reverse side, you'll find the denomination 10 Forint along with the year of minting, 1994. The design is simple yet elegant, making it a favorite among collectors. When it comes to coin collecting, condition is everything. The Hungary 10 Forint 1994 BP coin we're discussing today is in very fine condition. But what does very fine mean in numismatic terms? A coin in very fine condition shows moderate wear on the high points of the design, but most of the details are still clearly visible. For this 10 forint coin, you can expect to see some wear on the coat of arms and the text, but the overall design remains well-defined and attractive. So, what is the current market value of the Hungary 10 forint 1994 with BP coin in very fine condition? As with any collectible, the value can vary based on demand and market trends. As of today, the Hungary 10 forint 1994 with BP coin in very fine condition is valued at approximately $278,000, while it may be the most valuable coin in your collection. It holds significant historical value and is a wonderful piece for any collector interested in Eastern European coinage. If you're looking to add this coin to your collection, here are a few tips. Always do your homework. Learn about the coin's history, mintage, and variations. Condition: aim to acquire coins in the best possible condition within your budget. Very fine condition is a good balance between affordability and quality. Store your coins properly to maintain their condition. Use protective holders and keep them in a cool, dry place. Next up, explore the Bahrain 100 fils from 1965 in extra fine condition. This coin is not just a piece of metal, it's a piece of history and a valuable collectible. So, let's dive in. The Bahrain 100 fils coin from 1965 is a remarkable piece for several reasons. First, let's look at its design. On the obverse, you'll find the emblem of Bahrain, featuring a falcon holding a scroll with Arabic inscriptions. The reverse side displays the denomination and the year of minting in both Arabic and English. This coin was minted in a period of significant growth and development for Bahrain. 1965 was a time when Bahrain was solidifying its position as a key player in the Gulf region's economy, particularly in the oil industry. This coin symbolizes the country's rich heritage and economic strides. Now, let's talk about the condition of the coin. An extra fine XF condition coin means it has minimal wear and retains most of its original mint luster. For collectors, condition is crucial as it significantly impacts the coin's value. So, what makes this coin so valuable today? The market value of the Bahrain 100 fils 1965 coin in extra fine condition can vary based on factors like demand, rarity, and the overall condition of the coin. As of today's market, a Bahrain 100 fils 1965 coin in extra fine condition can fetch anywhere from $421,000, depending on the buyer and the specific attributes of the coin. This might seem surprising to some, but remember, the numismatic value isn't just about the metal content. It's about history, rarity, and condition. Collectors are willing to pay a premium for coins that tell a story and are in exceptional condition. Owning a Bahrain 100 fils 1965 coin in extra fine condition is like holding a piece of Bahrain's history. It's a reminder of the country's journey and a testament to its heritage. Whether you're a seasoned collector or new to the hobby, this coin is definitely a treasure worth having. Next up, we have an exciting coin to discuss: the Syria 1 lira from 1974. This coin is not only a piece of Syria's rich history, but also holds significant value in the collector's market today. So let's explore this coin in detail. The Syria 1 lira coin from 1974 is a remarkable piece of numismatic history. Syria, a country with a rich cultural and historical heritage, has produced various coins over the years, each reflecting different aspects of its history and economy. The 1 lira coin from 1974 is particularly interesting because it was issued during a period of significant political and economic change in the country. In the early 1970s, Syria was under the leadership of President Hafez al-Assad, who came to power in 1971. His regime brought about numerous changes, including economic reforms and efforts to stabilize the country's currency. The 1974 1 lira coin is a reflection of these efforts, bearing symbols and inscriptions that represent Syria's national identity and pride. Now, let's take a closer look at the design and features of the Syria 1 lira 1974 coin. On the obverse, you'll find the emblem of the Syrian Arab Republic, a hawk with outstretched wings, clutching a shield with the national flag's colors. Surrounding this emblem are inscriptions in Arabic, including the country's name and the coin's denomination. The reverse side of the coin features the denomination 1 lira in Arabic, surrounded by a wreath of wheat, symbolizing agriculture and prosperity. The date 1974 is prominently displayed at the bottom. The coin is made of aluminum bronze, giving it a distinct golden hue. When it comes to collecting coins, condition is a crucial factor. The Syria 1 lira 1974 coin in very fine condition is highly sought after by collectors. Very fine condition means that the coin has seen some circulation, but retains most of its original details and luster. There might be slight wear on the highest points of the design, but overall, it remains in good shape. Coins in very fine condition are particularly valuable because they strike a balance between preservation and affordability. They show the history and usage while still being aesthetically pleasing. Now, let's talk about the market value of the Syria 1 lira 1974 coin in today's collector market. The value of this coin can vary depending on several factors, including its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. As of today, a Syria 1 lira 1974 coin in very fine condition can fetch anywhere between $479,000, depending on the buyer and market trends. It's important to note that the market for collectible coins can fluctuate, so prices may vary over time. However, the Syria 1 lira 1974 coin remains a valuable addition to any collection due to its historical significance and unique design. There you have it, the fascinating story and current market value of the Syria 1 lira 1974 coin in very fine condition. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this coin is a wonderful piece of history to own. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow collectors, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more numismatic content. Thank you for watching, and happy collecting.